There is no escaping the truth. The power of visualization, backed by unfettered self-belief, is astonishing. However, the leading religious organizations do not want you to know this.
If you can get a mental image of the person you would most like to become, begin now to act as that person would act in everything you do. Gradually, imperceptibly, you will actually become that person. It goes back to what the great German poet and philosopher Goethe once said. Before you can do something, you must first be something. Before you can do what you would most like to do, you must first become the person who can do it.
It's an amazing ripple effect. The more you believe in yourself, the more you can impact the lives of others. If religion works for you, then go for it. However, if you want to snap out of that matrix and start to follow your inner conscience, and you're curious about pushing a bit further and mastering your own mind, I would strongly urge you to redirect your energies inwards. Believe in yourself. Surround yourself with people who believe in you. Visualize being the person you want to be. Visualize being healthy. Visualize being powerful. See yourself as being too gorgeous for words. See yourself as being amazing. Because you are amazing. You are unique. There's only one of you, and there will never be another person like you. Out of all the billions of people in this world, there's only one you. All that good stuff inside of you can only be done by you. That in itself is a miracle. That in itself is amazing. That in itself is worth celebrating.